Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to turn on or off location tracking in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to turn on or off location tracking in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open Chrome browser, after click on three dots, after click on settings, now scroll down, after click on set settings, now scroll down and here option location. So guys, if you want to turn off or disable, so select toggle off position, and if you want to turn on or enable, so select toggle on position. That is it. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on or off location tracking in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.